Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to store Kadi Patta for long. Dry leaves completely before storing to prevent mold. I will walk you through 3 simple steps to dry, preserve, and store leaves so they retain aroma and color. These techniques use common household items like trays, airtight jars, and the freezer. Follow the order I describe and check leaves occasionally for best results. Start by choosing a gentle drying method that preserves aroma. Air drying in a shaded, well-ventilated area keeps oils intact without cooking the leaves. If you need speed, use the lowest oven or dehydrator setting and watch closely to avoid browning. Once fully dry, cool leaves briefly before handling. Proper drying is the most important step to prevent mold and keep flavor long-term. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and smart mapping and makes sweeping dried leaves and spice flakes a breeze, which ties in nicely with kitchen herb prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After drying, choose an airtight container to protect leaves from humidity and light. Glass jars with tight lids are ideal, and zip bags work when you remove excess air. For longer storage, freeze leaves flat in labeled bags and thaw only what you need. Keep containers in a cool, dark spot and avoid the fridge door where temperature fluctuates. Small batches work best for consistent freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.